Hello, my name is Rida, and this is AI World. Look at these. This animation video channel is making a huge amount of money from YouTube. You can also generate a substantial income by uploading this kind of animated videos. However, if you don't have any knowledge of creating animations, you're in the right place. Today's video we will learn how to make animation stories with AI within few minutes. Let's explore, and first of all we need a story for our video. We will use ChatGPT for story generation. Go to Chat. Write animation video script with ChatGPT, and give the prompt for your story. I am using the prompt write a short moral story in 200 words. I am using 200 words only for tutorial purposes. Now I am adding another line. The story should involve a girl and a dog. This way ChatGPT will generate a unique story in story. Now I will give another command. I want to make an animated YouTube video with this story. I will make this video with images and voiceover. Suggest images for every scene. It will help us with our visual imagination. As you can see, Chat has given proper instructions for our visuals. Dear friends, always remember that AI is an automatic tool, so you cannot expect 100 output from any AI in a single command. Always try different prompts and use your own creativity to make your output perfect. Okay, our story and image generation are now complete. Let's copy the story and paste it into a document file. Our first step is complete. Now it's time to generate images for our video. To generate images we will use a generate text to image free text to image tool called Leonardo. Look, this is very amazing AI tool. Leonardo have so many models. You can easily generate attractive story images from this tool. I am selecting Luna because it generates images in a cartoon version. Simply click on generate with this model. Copy one by one each prompt and generate all images, and then download all images. Okay, I generate all the scenes in few minuets. These are very awesome and perfect for my story. After finishing image generation, now we will add animation effects to our images. Another awesome image to animation tool that will help us animate our images is generate image to animation Leapix AI. If you are new to Leapix, simply create an account with your Google account. Now click on upload here. Leapix will take some time to animate your images. You can customize it here using depth maps. After editing, click on the share button here and download it in MP4 format. Convert all of your images using the same process. Our third step is now complete. Now let's generate audio for our video. To generate audio we will use an awesome text-to-speech AI tool named Generate Text to Speech. Jenny, you will find the link in the description. If you are new to Jenny, create an account and log in. After logging in, create a new project. Select all sections and delete them. Now select a spokesperson and choose your voice model. There are a huge number of voice models in different languages and accents. Select one of them. Now copy the story from the document and paste it into the text box of Jenny AI. Click on select all and then click on generate. It will take some time to generate the audio. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our audio is now ready. Click on export and then click on download. Our fourth step is complete. Now we will make videos with animation and audio. You can use any kind of video editing software or AI to animation video edit. Do this. I am using Canva for editing, as it is easy for new creators. First, import all the animations into the Canva and then import the audio file generated by Jenny. Insert the audio file in the timeline and synchronize the animation with the audio. Give proper time for editing. After finishing your edit, export the video. Our video is now ready. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. She had a faithful companion, a friendly dog named Max. Lily and Max were inseparable, and their bond was built on love, trust, and kindness. One sunny morning, as Lily and Max were taking their usual stroll through the village, they noticed a group of children huddled around a wounded bird. The poor creature had a broken wing and looked helpless. The children didn't know what to do. Without a second thought, Lily knelt down, gently picked up the injured bird, and cradled it in her hands. Max watched with curiosity and compassion. Lily knew just what to do. She carefully placed the bird in a cozy box with some water and food. Lily and Max spent the next few weeks nursing the bird back to health, providing it with love and care. The bird's wing healed. This is quite impressive, but you can review and wrap up AI animation tutorial. Make it even more impressive by trying different prompts and showing your creativity. After completing all the processes, it's time to upload your video to your YouTube channel and start earning money. We hope this tutorial has provided valuable insights into creating compelling animation videos with AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.